So this Java course can take you from being a beginner, a complete beginner in Java as well as programming, to being a complete master of all the major programming concepts of Java, like OOPS and servlets, JDBCs, etc. Okay. So I myself have been studying as well as teaching Java in various places, studying Java as well as making projects, etc. in Java since the past 2 years. And all that I've studied the past 2 years, I've tried to make all the use of all those concepts in this course that I've created. Okay. So this is the complete Java development course. And this course has been designed in such a way that each and every person, whether it be a complete beginner in Java or it can be a very, very, very expert person in Java, each and every kind of a person can take this course and learn many, many, many things from it. Okay. So originally it has been designed for very, very beginner students, students who do not even know how to write a single line of code can become complete master of Java programming as well as creating web applications after taking this course. Okay. So the first question that people have in their minds is why study Java? Okay. What is the reason of studying Java? There are many languages prevalent in today's times like Java, C++, Python, etc. So why only study Java? What is so special in Java that you should study it and not the other programming languages which are available in today's time? Okay. So the first important point that I have for making you study Java is that some of the biggest organizations of the world, majorly the biggest organizations of the world, they are built using Java. Okay, so Java originally was created by Sun Microsystems, which was then acquired by Oracle, and many of the products of Oracle have been made in Java, and many, many, many other companies also implement Java in their products. Okay. The next point is that Java is very, very, very easy to learn and implement. Okay. So Java was made in such a way that it becomes very easy to learn and implement. A complete beginner can very easily understand all the major programming concepts of Java. Okay. The next point is that Java has a very, very strong community support. Okay. So Java has been prevalent since a very long time. It's a very old programming language, and it has been prevalent since a very long time and has been in use since a very long time. So it has a very, very, very strong community support. So even if you have any doubts related to Java, even if you have any kinds of doubts related to Java, you'll easily be able to find answers to all of them. Okay. You can just like search your error in Google and you'll easily be able to find answers on websites like Stack Overflow, etc. Okay. The next point is that the IDEs are basically softwares in which you write your development code. Okay. So for specifically in Java, there are many, 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 many IDEs which you can use. Okay. So this is due to the fact that Java has a very strong community support, and hence there are many, 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 many softwares using which you can write Java code. Okay. And now another thing that I saw is that there are, according if you are looking for jobs in Java, a very important aspect is that I noted is that there are many, many, many jobs in Java. Okay, on an average, I read somewhere on an average, US programmer in Java makes around 60,000 to $70,000 per year. Okay, so this is the average annual income of a Java programmer. Okay, so Java is a very, very popular language, and it helps in making many, many softwares. Okay, and it can help you grab really good jobs. Okay, so why this course only? Why should you take this course? There are many, many courses around on the internet. Why should you take this course only? Okay, so the first point is that complete coverage of all the Java concepts from the basics. Okay. So there are many, many concepts in Java like Java fundamentals and OOPS and then servlets, JDBCs, etc. This course will teach you all those concepts from zero. Okay. I'll assume that you are a complete beginner in all those concepts, and I'll be teaching you all of those from scratch. Okay. So our course covers all the aspects related to development in Java from the complete basics. We start with the complete basic, the complete starting. We start with the installation of Java and its IDEs, installation of Java, JDK, and the Java environment in our laptops, in our computers. We start with that, and we end with making very, very many, many complex web applications using servlets. Okay, so we start with the complete basics, complete zero, and then we go till up to the master levels of Java. Okay, so this course literally takes you from zero to hero, where a person who has never written even a single single line of code can also make beautiful applications using Java after doing this course. Okay, so there are projects in this course which you will make, and you will see how Java can be used in order to make very beautiful websites as well as web applications. Okay, the next is the complete comprehensive explanation of OOPS and servlets. Okay, so OOPS is basically something which is asked in many interviews of job interviews, and also used while doing development or making web applications. Okay, so the main focus of this course will be on OOPS, servlets, JDBC, etc. Basically, all the major concepts of Java will be explained in this course with the comprehensive explanation. Okay, so OOPS and servlets are the two major components which are used while doing development in Java. Our course covers both OOPS and servlets in very great detail. Okay, all of these will be taught from the scratch, and in great detail I'll be teaching you all these things, and you will be learning from me. Okay, also we'll be covering topics like JDBCs and JARs, which are very important in order to become a good Java developer. Okay, next is amazing projects to understand concepts. Okay, so what generally happens is that all the courses, what they do is that they just teach you all the major concepts and teach you some examples and exercises, and that's it. Okay, what actually you need in order to understand a programming language like Java are projects. Okay, using projects only you can understand how things are made in the actual industry, how things are developed in big companies. Okay, so we'll be making projects while studying all these concepts so that you can understand how things are done in the major industries. Okay, we have some amazing projects that we'll build in order to completely grasp the Java fundamentals. These projects will follow industry level practices while development, so that you can get a good exposure as to how work is done in these big companies. Okay, so that was it for this